watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching, I'm mesmerized by the eyes.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Super Herbal Mixture
and supported by
for me mamo akwaba e de moba experiences in life jumedia wani gusui therefore ene experiences in life no money be be e edru Dubai eni adofo eni enuanom ye ne omo ba be hia atwetwe nkomo na yeti omonso omabrabom life experiences and na sie kese enko enfama aboafo a danida osomasen Papa go furniture enkonwa papa fia in fact efe enimonyam wom wonim chese papa nsoso fa wani chem wa kesema junction ne se ho no mo a omuguso promotion ne den kona kwaje wodie ne se okwa abomidin bebi a ekobia ekọ ahane Dubai ahane yenche ahane kroba akono himfa kora free delivery ye de beko e amount obemma wa ye mre wo mpem na ntimi mo adwuma ne ye na obayi sori a woni nam so wode wanim aye fom me pacho Jeffers mixture and Jeffers pick up so spare and ebetimi ama omema ye no SCP pomodin ane to America na kwaje wodie anom die mi chema Angel Beverages Stefan Bessie anom dia egu mini wa ekoyo fanamba nisisi ya bibajo flavors ni nyina bi ho baby baby a wo bia na yas mi ankasa bebro me de bebro tododo Bible sense enya adwuma no endidio eno nti Dr. Kwekuotin papa na misha wati se da ne da o maye adwuma ye na maye nsa ekoya no cute cat palo and abomiti kama edi amami na woman's fashion so and ashamatare kama na many makeup so if an number no and na iguasi and me pacho ba Dubai hadia me pacho makeup artist me pacho so your wedding engagement program ahuru bia uye bia no makeup artist me pacho waje kenkon papa me pacho say makeup no peno halfway kra ye beye e dia ma fa number ne sisi a ebusia for me nsembri mo ma me ntwa me ho na me ngi aboafo enkrato na me mbra nene no de ampaya ebidwa ene no eye more levels me twa me ho akwaba sisi a.
Hello, your friend is of Mami na Hayford. Me yen century Messiah actress and in yuma who do pee keka ho and na medwuma dinti mapo me den ho hia me papa na seba mapo me den ho dia eno ane Jeffers mixture bonje Jeffers mixture nti metimi gina pabo atenten so just Jeffers mama your best mu ankasa me nia be ma ebama wo so wa ye be mama pa senti a meji Jeffers mixture tumpre kopani say eduro no ho te ye dia fa abefu nimdie kwan so eni fidie won wosuom na ye ne frenchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade eno ane Jeffers mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala nofo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jeffers mixture pa.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you. Enjoyment Cola.
Angel Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
atadwe ene ya sedenne bedofo se banu ufie nkonya papa paade a mitrem a furniture papa paade a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hoodini wo ejetirufo wagana krobo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afa yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo ho edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture enkonya papa papi. For me mamu akwaba biem edi mobile experiences in life jumedia wenigosui the boy fashion jewelries or Accra Mokola shopping mall ehwa anase udu Accra bisa obia say the boy fashion ko na kotubi na the boy fashion jewelry wo ho eye gold asiankasa gold papa the boy fashion jewelry me pa chokoto na gudi na yusua ho chirewa utimi konane etimi di tukwan etif wani chirim ewo the boy fashion jewelry kwajo shoes or dansoma Sakaman Junction and Sunyami ye road in so hono mo empaboa papa efiedie the boy fashion jewelries Diamond Cosmetics enkun papa medofo yensembe mama yenko ye guest in way ye ne nko twetwe enko. Hello sweetheart. Apa want to say? Nyame adom. Bibi aboko. Na osu di ne kwa de say na ne kwia. Ekwia fosia. Ekwia for mo ho fe. In fact, what you say Dubai had what na ha chepa?
Yeah, 4 years.
4 years. Oh Dubai ha. Na ne kwia ufri him fa.
Mas
Go from Abaya and we be pim Dubai. Wow. Who go school in fa?
Okay. First we go school, we school practice MS.
Okay.
Then maybe ending Methodist primary, then essays we complete, you know.
Oh, that's nice. Who SS went for?
Armed Forces.
Bantman. Wow, that's nice. O ma me no papa we. O matiase. O mu go so worry. Mo ye nuanom dodo sen.
Yes, 7.
Mo ye 7. Onkwa na o ye oba.
Ye ma 2.
Eti emma no na ye pani ana. Okay, but nuanom no pani pa o ho. O to so sen. O to so mi. Ene na wanyini.
Of course.
Wedding visa. And I fancy fridge. Nana, kaka chire uncle ye ni beji because that's on for too much.
No, 30 years.
What 30?
Of course.
Wow, what mother do say?
2. I have 2 boys.
Nana, oba penny di say.
Nana kwa Kobe.
What di say?
7 years. Penny no 10 years na. So.
Wow.
6 years.
And see, a breben and now o decide say obi to kwan about Dubai.
That's it. Me wo ye no awu nim Ghana brabo.
Okay.
Me more than kakra. So me try say me ye bibi kakra. Me try ya but awu nim Ghana na em. Okay. Na me ne me busia kasai. Se me say. Yes, na me wadan fo bia we dike to kan ba hada. No question say ahai. So tie no na me do. Me bo me busia me no mo bo a me ma me ba. Ti me bedru ye. Ne modi. Eso kaka kayus.
Wow. Obedru na emodin. Na so nkakra oguso. Oba ye no o de visit visa ene bae and I say what the permit visa ene bae.
I made a direct employment in the company and then me buy direct.
Oh, was so company ni din de say.
ADNH.
Etu go so ni omo ye adwuma. Oba ye no. Dubai abrabo no. Say na a treat you.
Easy. Emoji, but
be one of me because I Facebook from ye nyina say ye na ne kua nkomo ye me de nti no mi na no.
Emo nemodi, but it depends how I will be see Ashawo so. Because we be face we be share na fofo emu efutu nkomo anipa bedi. The last time me was Ghana, omo friend me beside me say omo ti see esi Dubai ha e man e bo Ashawo baba so they are forcing me to come back home. So I told them say enye sanity. Eye abrabon how we see chebi mumma and I'm more faces are me under company.
Enti abraboni bisania ene ebinum edi no nti na ema omode omhurura sati enti wugidi stand one kasa wugidi say Dubai ha no obrasa na sa abrabo sa ekoso
it depends how I will be live your life.
Oh
Uncle Fobre.
Wow.
Sometimes when I'm a bontina me share the camera. Uncle Fobre.
Kofobre ni sen huntia.
Oh, because they are near this side many in our battery and now for full. Me buy saying, send committee and for one came say it told me. A Juma me salary name. But me didn't come much when I for me, but Juma for a pushing me outside or cancel now for outsider. Be near Juma salary name. But a promiano problem I want is all cancel was so plan. So one plan and I will cancel without planner. I know never I do ever got to start situation.
Enti company na edo baye no omo anu mutua obibia e ma wa obedru ye na omo tetew anase sign na neti
omo ani tua me pay ticket me bibia enti me ntua hwe no say agent ni ye me process na omo de me wa wonim Ghana agent omo beju bibi ka pay de
okay enti obaye no how many years omo tete we da enti how omo tete for how many years and only omo ye 6 months.
Yeah. After 6 months, now I started saying full salary.
And see, salary na how na say if see who like na e bia yesi musika na drums mi hu ka okay intina bosome no e baga na skamu a na wo pay say e wa ha
that time I me salary ni me
sorry me ntwa no over 2022 right okay
me buy na me salary me ko Ghana scam I think say na 2000 that time
2000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And the 2000 cedis not just 6 months in 12,000 inti boso me so a no mo te 2000 ni nyina na so mo te 1005 no mo jebi e pese ehu
omo te bi no mama obi sign into the money to me go do 6 months
inti omo te say because 2000 Ghana cedis and you were saying say what is 6 months
2000 Ghana cedis Ghana is coming.
Ghana sikemu 2000 Ghana cedis. Into 2000 Ghana cedis. Any pano or de obano. Or charge will say, Ebia, or catcher will say, or the oba. It or the oba. Ebia, which you are, or the 6 months, which you are 15,000 Ghana cedis. Tibusumi biano, or bet so say. It's Busumi bian, ye pesi, who say, not what so sika say.
No, come me full salary, dear. My hand lost and come mammy 1,001. But me buy but months in this one no mati 200 so they pay me 900 no they pay me 800 so they no more take 300 no mama me 800
okay
until 6 months in this one you know
not say 2000 and na demand
no
okay but what catch is 2000 cedis
this is can no dem mama
okay
I don't know me the Ghana scam wa 2000
anti Ghana scam na say ni pesa odi ye ko
you say me for Ghana
fire ko Ghana scam because the whole show no or person would see experiences are me patrol before any right now you know
no more than because before say scam now say me the Ghana man fancy 1,000 5,000 this is some money
it is 2,000 Ghana cedis ni see it free ma sika sen e na e ka wo ho na sen so e na wotimi di kofi
scam me ba ne sana on say me send e kakra ma me mo fan e hwe me ba no
okay
na me so enu na on say na me ka bibi say omo bo brabo ni bi wa sa brabo ni enu na de sa adwene no e be ba witli mu but na me had to me try me survive me timi e try ma fama adwene anko that place see skasem no be yedi.
Okay.
But in Gakanka after 6 months, no more started say me full salary na fina my okay.
No why you okay. And see before no, oji 2000 na. Omotia ne kasen na senso na udi kofi. Ebi omoti 1005 and omoti 1002. Sa na yepesi me pese me ho no me pese me hu.
Sa na neka 800 dirham. Ahanum
Ghana 800 Ghana.
UAE is kemu 800 dirham. And a neka me nsem.
It's not just a Ghana 800 Ghana cedis, which is 8 million.
Eko Ghana is kema no. Ahanum ni 800 dirham. Ahanum 800 dirham no me de ko Ghana is kema e bro 8 million na ho kan.
It's ya disua na yesua me pese ye pese ye hu se nti e koka na skama de ka wonsam no na ye dodo sei maybe about 1,900 right. Oh okay, all right. It is saying na now the money fee na saying so na we keep e wo hu e wo ha
say 800 gram me 200 gram to me.
okay
na send
600 no e ko wo ye single mother
be becho dey
o mane papa we o ho nti nkola ne papa no ono hwe nkola no uguso ne no ho oneni ni ho bi. Wow, it will start adwuma foforo and as make us start ma full pay na o tuewie and say na experience no so etie
like almost starting ma me full
ai say o say ya ti we omo do buy o matiti o musika wi
ade say oji sika we ya o ha o we manage unye mafa na sika ne so do so o ha wa ade a chade senyo na bibi foforo say be boom.
Okay,
it me start say meji full salary na problem na mo.
Okay,
kakanka
it would tua dan ka sense say no yemfa ne say woji 2000 Ghana cedis full 2000 and 3000 na bo so me edan sika sen na uti frame na sen so na utimi di no bo so me no.
Oh, na me do mahami tua dan ka me accommodation company provide accommodation.
Oh, okay. Mo ye ni padodo sen na mo.
Oh, me room ye ni patre.
A single room. Okay, nti mo ye ni patre. Wow. Obae wabo Ashawo ne kakrada. And I'm for no be introduce you.
Me share bi mpa for that.
Sao ho. Okay. Iti obae when ya be me bia won ne eti wa ha na.
Mpachene di fantunche.
Eno di fantunche won ho. Wow. Na ne kria. Ye pesa woni ye e share wa brabom. Deep life experience from Ghana to Dubai ha. We 4 years how buy a day experiences na wenya e person no share
from Ghana dear let me has me a more let me start and I'm starting facing abrabo we face some challenges and say ya me ya tuma we did two can be do han we be do han so na more
okay
but nya me adum kakra
okay
me survive kakra yeah.
Okay.
And means no be my sister. I was saying to me baby ofi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's nyame do me. Mama me home break kakra. I'm so dia me kokra.
It will buy 4 years. How many times on Wakofi?
2 times.
2 times. Wow. So say who stay when your permit will hakra forever and ever.
Yeah.
Okay. And on a company na.
Any company na.
Oh, okay.
Me no ma ask na just.
Enti say utwa wani ehwe Ghana na say meka say okọ Ghana na uhwe Ghana abrabo no na usan twa wani eba Dubai ha sen na etie
ni mo di me call the second one we me say ka me baby but ne e mo di na me san so eteni me chi say mama fa ni ma betutu yi
okay
na me san so
eda dream eba utrima we decide say nka okọ Ghana o baby
because on say more din kulami mi ja almost no musa sometimes ana ma fe me mane pa me no mo kasa hawa o musi en I had no me wish some come wo mi nche but the me adu me ye bibi ka 20 so adoko ni to me compete ma me and say let me get too close to one
ayana otiwa unu hu se udisa company nechi eba Dubai.
No, me who is scan no more than my.
You wanted to cry?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't know person.
More you.
Why?
More. Some challenges I will be facing even no roommate, also a nipa from nipa from your beshi. It's after the will be shit or be soon in the buying a big attitude, the crowd will tell one so upon memoir. I told you the last time I'm going to my bank by this time at the prison because me go or be better to over bonnet to the standard. And over could pay baby won't me in one. But I'm here to know much now do 4 years in the same control, the whole hour in the different city.
Upon say what stadium, what control, na enyema getting better no still what no who say free Ghana a better na Dubai ana.
Because me know me because me okay. Se me na me Ghana ka me so say my brother be continue you see.
Wow.
For that time me na me prepare.
Wow.
Na me prepare. But me pa.
Oh, you okay. So 4 years in you know, then achievement and na make say wetimi achieve ewo wa brabo meka se bia uye bibi ewo Ghana na say e dien sesa na aba wa brabo ye pese ye in Dubai ya obai
na ko adu e ja kakran ni ska na me se bi kakran metimi e bi store ye den ye megu
ewo kuma se
of course me pese me se bi kuma so ko 4 months last past
okay
me pese me se bi it become home.
You didn't shop
bag.
What ton dressing? Not just say boutique bag. Wow. You store and kasana waje. Boso meswa. Sika edema ono. Sign na wetimi save. Na sign na wetimi di coffee. Wetimi enye bi ebie shop kesi ese ya. O sign ebie bi aka ho.
And I make an emoji and I can so do Bema and the way no uncle ye be man. Meeting more by a side the hand of your Mohaka, that's a plan.
Okay.
Watching cranny from the home and cranny problem beyond damiso.
Oh,
dear, I'm a air woman.
Wow.
Second cranny back hand and hold you and be mamma sofa, but I'm cranny problem.
Wow.
Miana. So was almost on Miss Akamisika. Mini mu nyina so enyi mini nua bia wo post na makase mini mu nyina ye ntuma so the second stage bia kakra na meti ama me ma me monje nto mu ho na me de aka ho
eti boso me sen na otimi save e wo account
every month we send 500 rand ko eto my account eti e ko Ghana scam 500 rand this time I rate in so what see I think so minya 19 before on nanka 2000 I say
not just say every month be a utimi save by 1,800 to 1,900 oh accounting upon if you will share chop money out the code na utimi sign save oh accounting sir wow remember how ha Dubai ha
baby
okay
ni nyina ye how abisia obesho
okay it's what decided say anase meka se wabo ho mpa se nyame emwa wo ne hia abrofri bi na omonsesa wa brabo na ne onko out
eno de lalai
oh okay ompe ne sen ho ntina ompe se ni pe bia pese na brabo economy okay into se wonya ukrom ni bia na nete wo ho ana yen hwe nim se wo benya bia nche oh okay wow. And see, only namfo entem etesen because I dey a free Ghana ba Dubai now namfo mitimusa na upe ni je pa na upe ni je wo ho na upe ni je wow and see obayi only namfo no entem etesen
okay aha no mu die me nyehwe sapantu mu do betima ye namfo bebre sa ha me ni adamfo bia o
oh okay
madam fo
Wadam for ne hwan wadam for ne hwan na woni bre bi na mo
o jina mo nti ho na me ne na
oh okay o se so ne be ma woni ne wo ho ana mo hye shaware okay sadam fo bitimi be dane aware ana mo guso keka Nana kuya asa odi niema bi AC.
Me fa bi AC.
Okay.
Oh, we ni mo we.
Oh, okay.
You wouldn't me father for. Sometimes I am
Won't mean your day.
What's me father for? How?
I didn't hear. Oh, okay. Both a man and man na.
When I see, mean to me one. Because I want to see her. Who be some me who be a Mr. Hassan. It's simple me and my father.
Wow. Yes, a man be Edda. If you home, you need to 10, no more that single room. And no, a yeno cray. A so omobo. BT say, Uko, Titino, Netitino, see, as I was a boarding school. Senior or a shrony formula had ye such as a ye ba committee me to a so be 5. It will be crying in the crew. Go home, Momushim, Mushasi Hoko de. Not just say, we need Kuno da show, we need Kuno da form. Just say, we need fiancé. Just say, yes, ya home it's a pa, no cray.
Miss Hannah Martin, but me from a new
far when you home be. Wow.
Because me made the accommodations in
you know, experiences being when you Dubai has say. Would be to the whole show for.
Me like me put to say, Oba, you crew me here, men na for some focus. So I didn't see so.
Okay.
I the pocket now we in focus. No one who said maybe I didn't do you are okay.
Okay.
There was some challenges who face here we will change.
Okay.
Now we no I discuss it. Penny power things any pa me so much watching no be me good advice and no be me if you to papa.
Okay.
No, I'll share some nipa no so work actually so we can pass to no bit me afa.
Okay.
Na ni me.
I discuss it. Etoda wonam fufu a woni omu see so ana okọ internet so a ebia emma ne bi who say be US other country near the idea na wo Dubai no sign na ya na feeling no esiti
In fact any mu ya a lot ya miss me who me na for bebre social media so me sure almost me made chiwo be say we me ni ko school na nipa no kwa ba na no e da ka mu nyina
sawo
big shop or maybe but me say ya bra boy step by step.
Wow.
We say almost so science of modu. We say be a prepare for people na me so.
Onya krofo froso a obeko apart from Dubai hana wo no.
Me pacha.
Edentia.
We say Hesika. And Europe countries can a difference.
Okay.
Must try but obi chimidi or chimidi.
O chimidi. Etu susu say yesika no but enya asumdwe because obi ho no ma meka say o Dubai ha but wa asumdwe e chen de oti America na say oti krofo so na oti Germany say asumdwe dia ka ha de ka wa asumdwe ba sika 70 unya krofo so a obeko. Wow. So mama wate me ba wate ebusua yenye nkrato mrasisi ya.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina and Hayford. Me yen century, Messiah actress, and then you ma who do pee keka and na me juma dinti. Ma po me den hu hia me papa na se bad ma po me den hu dia. And one Jifax Mr. Bonje. Jifax Mr. Me jina papa tenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best one kasa. Me ya bema. Ebema wo so wa ye bema mapa. Say ti ameji Jifax Mr. Tumpre kopeni say. Edro no ho te. Ye de afa abefu nimdie kwan so. Eni fidie won wosuom e na ye ne friendship kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade. Enu wane Jifax Mr. Na momitie. Enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala no fo. Ana akwala onyenya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe saa egedie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ.
Jifax mixture. Pa.
Ready for something refreshing and great tasting? For your kids' enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
For your graduation enjoyment?
Angel Cola.
Beach hangout?
Angel Cola.
For all your refreshing moments?
Angel Cola.
For your parties, get-togethers, events, and celebrations, enjoy a chilled bottle of Angel Cola. Radio Grandma, today is your day. Over to you.
Thank you.
Enjoyment Cola.
The Enjoyment Cola. Enjoy all your moments moments and fun time with Angel Cola. This advert is FDA approved.
Atadre eneya sedende pedofo sebanu ufie nkonya papa padi a mitrema furniture papa padi a eye papa go furniture pe ene betimi ama nkonya papa edimu na efe na hoodini wo ejetirufo wogana promo hani abrochire be bia de eye papa go furniture pe ena ya chi atum delivery baby a ekobia e free afi yegusi ye sales ndendende ye womu a ekosi next year January baby a wo bia no papa go furniture e wo for edema papa go furniture any challenger no challenger papa go furniture e konya papa papi. Ebusia for your mamo akwaba beam the mobile experiences in life with Jumedia when you go see and Nasia Kessie and call and fama aboafo wana so masenyina Jeffers mixture Jeffers P capsules Papa go furniture Angel beverages cute cat palo the boy fashion jewelry sanso and akwaje shoes and so say mpaboa now mass fashion or non so ebo modern ehye entire na Nancy makeover or non so na me bedru Dubai watchu manim o ma manim aye say Angel TV no yento aso na na kria papa bi akria fosia papa bi obedru yi experience awanya pa obo ho se na me matata me too much biso hon mo se adwuma na me ye wadwuma mu no company ni mu no etoda na mabre na mapaba na mennume ho ami meka se single day bia ba otsena ase sugu yem eka se mennume ho pa se me ma sa company we e de me baaye na mantena Ghana da.
The last time we know more baby a age or more promote in Nipa.
Okay.
So obia bien another mubumidi, obia bien another mubumidi. Now we were supervisors for them, you know me, say be almost solitary. I mean, my son up to know that fish. I am a papa because I didn't know more. Let me deserve say also come the mommy. Or more the jump payment come over before for say all because of my attitude.
Attitude as in how we will be a umwadi.
Me say me so worship me heart training. Me so dey na kwe. O from me a me say I don't know how they hear me no. Unim pepe say you wrong am fa ho. Never.
But say we are we say ni so she bi so ho no ma nya ba bia na yedura. Especially adwuma officer.
Yes, break o dey maybe so.
Okay.
But still not say you wade bu o mo dey especially me person be boss anko ni dis anko fo. Ono mo ye adwuma wan control akoma.
Omo ya brofo.
Ono mo ye adwuma.
Oh, okay.
Wan control akoma situation do be. Oni pass the ode here oni ni.
Okay.
Obi push word to the extent na obi results. Wow, be ya die bia. It's a problem na nti no mo dey fa so tia me ade am deserve plan. You don't want to give it to me.
Now we decide say obesesa every Saturday no.
Every Saturday come say me so so be.
Sesa o. Na nekia ofri Ghana eba no company ndi uba no ofa Ethiopia Airline anase ofa Emirates anase flight to be na odi ba. Kata. Okay. Nana ensema ya kan nyina no efutu ben na odi be ma de wo hwe a wo pese ebia wono nso epese otu kwan eba Dubai because dodo na ekase me de betena Ghana de Ghana yeshi Ghana yedene meje me ho anje kroni mu aye minya enti nka me de betena Dubai eti ade afutu na de be ma de wo show camera ni mami
footso ni die e ka se ka de be chama de se ni na ye how mindset a wo de betu wutiri
okay
a wo de be ba wo bedu a wo benya nanfo wo benya bia ma ne to mo ba de ya kese pa ye de e da wutiri mu potinti a wo de ba ne wo sa wo focus
determination no
focus on na de property si wo so
okay
all the nipa betu fo but wo ba se ma nipa ne wo kan ne mboa wo
okay
just ignore the focus mo wa de na wo en one no betimi a
It will be to the workshop for say will be a person to come from Ghana eba because when I am here to say companies need the mobile e ya no mo treat mu yi kra eti na ye bisa no yes e bi be wunyi na atete a ye de mu komu no oba okay
the company ba be mu adwuma me company be wo me dey niche company o mo ye best
the free company ni say
dey niche company
okay
even your health wo mo fa your health bi agro em say match every 6 months be a doctors be check ye omo be share ye omo
okay
how Arabian months of every 6 months be 6 months be omo be check ye go mo tin be check man your breast e go mo tin because ye be check HIV e go mo tin because ye be check mo full your days dia o say my your have to see some menstrual like omo take care of your health papa
okay what kind of assemble ko ya to say it's alleged say yes Dubai ha HIV no age asete ewa ha atiesi ha yare bone no ewa ha pa na eno no krebe ne wom
kwa misumati bi na internet no so meti
okay
your family okay so bi ko ti we bi na mathematics
okay what na ne kria oba Dubai 4 years e mema dodo say na wetimi ni o matena
pacha de bi me no bi anka Dubai
about 4 years. We do person chese about 4 years. Why a virgin akosi say we di share bra no.
Up to now.
I don't care. Yes, we show.
Yes, we show me up to now.
Na ne care. Only bra ne tonight. Sa oso won sa to bi so.
Me kan.
Oh, okay. 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 84 years in you know. Unya ne be me bi anae.
There go.
Anekia. Ana what be ato Ghana na ukọ Ghana na Yencha ankomo no so. Okay. But wo be me bi ho no man na shower yo Ghana, wo pese mo ware.
Me obema.
Wo obema. O Dubai anase wo Ghana.
Ndi mpachi but me obema me nye single.
Na nekia. Wo obema na ne ti wo Dubai ha anase Ghana.
Yencha ho ne so. Me obey
na nekia after 4 years now buy you know we a virgin
for you
for I
na me ko fie say o di ni na ka wan
na chese okay ntina ye pese ehu say wo be ma e wo Ghana okwa wo ne no eye saade no
me nka se me obey ma me obey ma
asa wo be ma e wo Dubai ha wo ne da sorry ana ana okokoda na nchen weekends
accommodation me dey be ma akoda
jense okọ be ma no ho every weekend
ebo baby ye honest
na ne kria bibia ye boko
me fa try bibia boko fa
bibia ye fine
ya ko fa
wow brown o treat you ye dey
of course
wow na nekia ensema ya kenyina no hwe wo camera nim na yedi ano AC bonetofa efutu a ode ebema de wo show e wo Angel TV
me se me nwa mo Ghana in case o person to come back Dubai nenti sem nin enyema odo de omo keka kana bonti ne bi because but me nwa your mindset a wo de betu bi eno ano ne bebo amade wo hwehwe so beti
eno ano no okay echia ebusuafo no e wo fie mai obi a opese o chia no fie nchen eya no wa fifi pa wo ho sa aduane ben pa na ya no wo fie o Ghana
ofoni abenko
a superku anase opa momonne ena den kako wonim se Dubai ha say in fact nnuane a wo so Ghana yi ehun ya so be ko Ghana ansa na waka se wo kwa kodibi fantini ba papa bi awo Dubai ha na the restaurant na easy o ebusia for Dubai ha de se wo ba me pacho fantini ba me pacho restaurant aha pe na obenya African food ni nyina bi edi emone kontomre stew papa bi chese fufuo ni abenkwan papa bi a chese momone ni superku ni ho ahwan nyina wom kontomre nkwan chese nkatenkwan ni omutu kokonte chese body apesie papa bi me pacho ha no ba na apese yetwi me kokura ma wa ye beye edi ama eno ntimi pacho obi won mo beka say other countries ni de me kwa menya African food ni ade African restaurant ni ade akọ na Dubai ha de ehemfa ene bi wo me pacho Dubai ha say ye fantini ba restaurant bibia upebia obenye bi edi ewa hasi na nekria ye ba be kwechi nipa mienu ebusuafo ofie na fe yemfensi
cheme mami enam cheme manenso chi obi biara ohwe
okay na we nchia na mfofo no oni biwa na nyankopon sha say yetonsa frɛ wa oni ebetwetwe nkomo kama nyame onsha onkoso emo ho ban wate omo wade ye nyina enyi ebusiafo aha na ebre no ebema kwan ni edi dwumadi no ye di asi enase bie menko emfama aboafo a wona somase nyinara Fantini Bar restaurant or Dubai ye da wasepa me da me crew ni nyina so ase me manager Danny B any apostle any crew aka nyina best mark just say wo bia nyankopon wonhra mo pa bartender me director no bartender yeah and nyankopon so ensure me DOP papa me patrol CB boy guy na boy ni passe do na dwena sa pacho kokokohia na baby a wan ha wahwe be yeshi me pacho bishop so mi chia opa mi chia ebusuafo ni nyina ne asori ma ni nyina e wo Dubai bedofo yankopon ya domwa dasa ne ye besan so ehia mi dia e international original ore bakope makramo